Okay, so we went and put in hand controls for Joey in the 1 ton, the 02 E350,
which is not a high top.
Oh, sorry.
No wheelchair lift.
Yeah, there's no wheelchair lift here, no high top, nothing happening.
No high top, no adjustable floor on the driver's side.
Yeah.
And it has the 6.8 Ford V10 instead of the V8 that we've had in our last two vans, or our last van. So I'm dealing with more power. So we'll see how this goes. Actually, I think it drives better than mine.
How's the controls feel? Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Actually, I think there's less slop in these controls than my controls.
And where did you get these controls from, Joey?
My big stepbrother, Jim Navarra. Thank you, buddy.
They worked out great. They're heavy
In your
duty.
travels, if you find any more, there might be a finder's fee, so I can put them in my Jeep and shut you up about your Jeep's better than mine.
Yeah, we got to get up and get working. Oh, you know what I'm doing? I'm filming up and down instead of sideways.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter.
No, you sure? Oh, darn. Oh, darn. That's that learning experience thing. So.
And Mom was nice enough to leave me almost 3/4 of a tank of fuel, so that's nice.
There you go. So where are we going? Where's the first place you want to go? Since you haven't driven in a while.
You said something about we need to go to Publix and get a deal on Fireball whiskey, so we're gonna go find some whiskey.
And we're gonna go by where?
Winn-Dixie.
Why?
Why are we going to Winn-Dixie?
Because Winn-Dixie is opening their own liquor store.
Oh, right.
So it makes this video is gonna make us sound like we're luscious or something, but we're not.
luscious. Drinking does not appease me. So you're always talking about how bad this thing shake, rattles, and rolls, but I'm going to tell you one thing. Sitting in the driver's seat, it does not shake, rattle, and roll like mine does, or the red van.
Well, your red van is
high top,
5 years
heavy.
Older.
That's true. The suspension's probably junk in it.
Yep, it's 5 years older, but it's a good van for you. It's gets you where you got to go as soon as we get it fixed. We had it fixed and Joey was driving, and then he went to bring the lift down and it sprung a leak in the hydraulic hose.
The hydraulic cylinder was leaking.
So the lift hydraulic cylinders for his van are not repairable. However, we called the company and they're $600 each, so you have to do both.
And
Go ahead.
And the expert technician, aka my dad, says it needs an alternator. So that's two things on the list.
Well, but we still have to fix the left.
Well, yeah.
So, Dad knows how to fix anything.
So where do you want me to go?
Just go on through. We're gonna go. Publix is gonna be to the way down the 5A road. Don't forget to stop on there. This is stuff, yeah, for pedestrians. So anyway, he's decided he can fix them, and that's a good thing. So we went to Pasco Hydraulics, and Pasco Hydraulics had all the seals we needed, and they had the expertise to show us how to do it. So as soon as we get that back together, Joey will have his high top red van back. Yeah, well, that's all right. Right now, Joey needs to help with the driving and the errands and stuff in the household. So,
but
he's gonna go take his test and get his license. So I don't have to go with him anymore.
And being the way the current climate is in the world. I told Mom with the $4 gallon fuel and mine, the high top red van, aka Clifford, only gets about 10 miles a gallon. I told Mom we should really just fix up my 79 Ford F100 with a auto trans, and I might as well just drive that since mine only gets 10 miles a gallon and fuel's so expensive it really doesn't make a difference at this point. So that might be a future possibility, we don't know. Okay, where's I going?
You can go this way. You can make a right if you want. Go ahead, make a right. Go out 5A. We're going to where the old Albertsons was. That's now Publix.
I was confused because for some reason I thought we were stopping at the Winn-Dixie.
No, they're not open yet.
Oh,
that's why I went by. I just wanted to see if they're open. No, they're not open yet.
Okay,
No, but when they open, we're going to go for the
I was driving, so
grand opening specials.
As the old Jimmy Buffett says, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
That's a fact. There goes a nice Jeep.
Pavement princess.
Oh, a pavement princess?
Pavement princess.
Oh, I'm sorry. I dropped the phone. Not good. Gonna have a lot of wobbling right there. And what is Jimmy's? Got a nickname for his yet or not?
I just every now and then I refer to it as the pavement princess.
Oh, do you? Oh,
yeah, he has a new decal on his fuel door.
Oh, I saw that.
And I made a comment last night on it.
That's silly.
I said something about new decal on his pavement princess, and I don't think he's responded yet.
Oh, probably not. He's too busy. They were going to the beach and they did some kayaking and stuff.
Yeah. So. Oh, that's what it was. He had the kayaks on the roof.
Yeah.
And one of his Facebook friends said something, and I said, I replied to the other person, and I said, yeah, those stock axles look like they're hurt. With all that weight on the roof.
You might as well test it.
Well, I'm getting used to it because, like I said, this van's different.
This van takes off.
I know. I'm going 40. I'm going 40. And it doesn't
but
feel
it feels like you're sitting still.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's this van.
Like Clifford. Like right now, I barely have any throttle. I feel like, but I'm moving.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. This thing flies. And it has 299,000 miles on it.
299 and 17.
Yep. It'll be at 300,000 very soon. Which just broke it in.
Oh yeah, she's got another. I'm hoping our last van we figure because the odometer pooped out on us. We figure it has 550. I'm hoping this one makes it for 6.
I think it will.
Holy crap.
What?
I'm literally coasting right now to the light.
I know.
I just wanted to see what it does.
Yes. It's totally different.
It is. Because I didn't want to get right up on the red light and you'd be like, you're going to slow down?
Yeah, and your controls makes the brake hit really hard, really fast, so you
yeah,
gotta be careful.
I'm going to try not to flick it through the windshield.
So it'll take you a little bit to get used to it.
Oh.
Yeah, but you'll feel like you're sitting still and you're doing the speed limit.
I'm doing 40 and I feel like I'm sitting still.
Yep. Yeah, it's only 45 here, so.
Well, I'm not. No.
I told you, it's just like riding a bike, though. Back to normal.
I'm really not even thinking about it.
Nope.
Well, I don't want to sound. That sounded wrong. I am thinking about it, but I'm not like.
You're not overthinking.
I'm not freaking out.
No, of course not, because you can drive. So, like I said, it's like riding a bike. Once you learn how, you just, just get right back up there. It does tend to waver all over.
It does. The bumps feel.
Yeah.
When we get in the dips and whoops, I feel like I'm holding the wheel tighter.
Yeah. It's just, I think the front end is a little worn. The steering's a little worn. I mean, we've replaced most of it, but we didn't replace the steering box, so it might have something to do with that. We'll see.
So, in case anyone is wondering, on our YouTube channel, you don't see much of me because right now we're doing a lot of projects and Dad's the one that can really do the project, so I'm usually the cameraman. But once we move to Soaring Eagle, you will see a lot more of me, hopefully in front of the camera. So that is the plan. Does this say no turn on red?
I don't know, you tell me. You're
I-
driving.
I didn't see a
Just
sign.
sit still, because you got people going to move here in a minute, probably. Yep. You don't see a sign, do you?
No, I haven't.
You got a blinker?
No.
No. You need a blinker. You need to put the blinker on. Okay, so you can't reach it? So what do we have to do? Put the extension?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll figure out something. Stay right in this lane because we're going to turn up here into the
Okay, that was
shopping center.
That was nice and smooth and easy.
Yep.
Okay, time to go take the test. Well, no, I shouldn't say that yet. I haven't pulled into a parking spot yet.
Yeah, you have to park and you have to... We have to fix that blinker so you can reach it with your finger.
I'll take the darn extension off of the red van. I don't care at this point.
That's true. I don't know how he made it. If it just screws in or not.
It's relatively simple.
Okay, so you should be able to turn at this section right here, I think.
Right here.
Yep. Okay, I'll hit the curb.
Brakes work.
Yeah. Now you're gonna go down and then go into the shopping
nice
center.
and smooth.
Yep.
She's not even leaning.
Nope. Yeah, when you're in a windy situation,
Oh, I'll be loving this van.
yeah, it'll be all over the road, but not like your high top.
Oh God, I hate my high top and wind.
Okay, so you gotta figure out where the liquor store is. I think it's past the stop sign. So, now you have to pull into a parking spot. And
That's gonna-
I would say wherever it's closest. Okay, so even that one right there would work.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Okay, well, there's one right over there too. Go right past where those ladies were walking. Now that guy is there. So let's see how you do this.
Pull
And
into this
remember,
one.
you're going to stay, yep, you're going to stay close to that white truck. You're going to aim for the white truck.
Wait, I don't see an empty spot over here.
Yeah, just go.
Just go.
Trust me, you can't tie everybody up. Okay. Now, all left. Left, left, left.
Oh, that. Oh, over here.
That left. Okay. There you go. See? Okay. To be continued.